Today I'm going to be reviewing Coolfire's solar watch charger. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Didn't even know this existed, but what a great idea. So if you have a watch, an eco watch where you need to charge it, all you have to do is put your watch on top of this with obviously the solar panel facing this. This has 40,000 lux output light to be able to charge your watch. All you do is plug this in and then you have it. You can plug it anywhere into your computer, into a power brick to charge it. But really cool idea. That's what it looks like. It does have two little adapters on here, 25 millimeters and 30 millimeters, to fit your watch on there to protect it while it's on there, and it's going to charge really easily. It's not only an Amazon choice, it gets 4.5 stars. It's got 5,800 reviews, and last month 50 plus of these were sold. So people are buying them. I'm not seeing they're getting returned. So if you're looking for an easy way to charge your watch where you don't have to be out, you can just have it on here and it's ready to go whenever you need it. Check out Coolfire's UV free solar watch fast charger. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.